In this video, we'll show you how to integrate the MuleSoft APIs with Agentforce. Here we are in Agent Builder, and that's where you can build and test agents. In this case, our sample app Coral Cloud Resorts wants to surface data from a legacy ERP in an agent. Let's ask the agent about reward points for a given customer by entering the prompt. And based on the given user prompt, the agent is now reasoning to identify the right topic and the right action. But as you can see, agent cannot answer the question as it does not have access to the data. So let's change that. But first, we'll need to identify which data is actually needed. And for that, let's go ahead into Anypoint platform. This is a Coral Cloud Rewards API, and what you see here is a modernized real-time API interface. This is super modernized in contrast to Coral Cloud's legacy interface, and you can further go ahead and connect this MuleSoft API with Agentforce by leveraging the integration capabilities of MuleSoft and Salesforce. So let's go ahead and do that. Every MuleSoft API can be imported into Salesforce without writing a single line of code with the help of external service. And once it is imported into Salesforce, you can further go ahead and invoke them via Flow or via Apex classes. In this case, we'll be invoking the MuleSoft services via Flow. And what you see here is a super simple flow, and we have already referenced the MuleSoft API as a flow action. Now, let's go ahead and debug this flow to see how it works. And we have got the output, which is a reward points. But internally, it is calling a MuleSoft API with the help of external services. Now, as a next steps, let's go ahead and reference this flow to create a new agent action. So here you are in Agent Studio, and we are going to create a new agent action by referencing the flow we have just created. So let's go ahead and configure the input and the output parameters, and we have created a new agent action. Once done, let's go ahead and add this agent action to our existing topic. For that, let us go ahead into Agents and select the Copilot, Einstein Copilot, and let's open our builder. Once we are in a builder, let's go ahead and make changes to our existing topic, that is Customer Service Assistant. In this topic's action, we can go ahead and add the newly created agent action to our topic library. Here we can see the Get Rewards customer points as an available action. Let's go ahead and add it to our topic. And once added, let's go ahead and give it a try by entering the same prompt that we have added initially for the reward points of a customer. Here we can see again the agent is analyzing the request and figuring out the agent's next step by processing the action and the topic. And yay, we have got the output. Here in the chain of connector, you will see that agent has selected Customer Service Assistant as the topic and further invoking MuleSoft API via Flow. This is how you can leverage the existing APIs to build powerful AI-led integrations with MuleSoft and Salesforce.